The queen of romance is alive. She walks the world every day. Sometimes we see her fleeting glance. At other times we meet her by chance. Take a chance with the queen of romance. Will you find romance and love, like a gift given from up above? Are you ready to laugh and dance with the joyful queen of romance? Perhaps it is time to take a chance. The queen of miracles does make dreams come true. She infuses every day with magic. Believe in it and it will come true. It is sometimes hard to believe in the impossible and in magic. Yet, lives can change overnight. Not by chance or a magic trick. With striking beauty, majestic and tall, she was the dangerous queen of hearts. In her presence no one could stand tall. She devastated love in all its parts. She destroyed all weak and tender hearts. The dangerous queen was once a girl. Quiet, soft and innocent, it is true. The world made her a warrior queen. A powerful mighty woman to be seen. A strong woman and a mighty queen.